trying, okay? I'm trying.
Well, here she blows. Here's the new car. So, I love this channel. It's a Dr. Club channel. And I moved to California. I left my Corvette in Rhode Island. I didn't think it would make it across the country. I couldn't afford to ship it out here right now. And I wanted to do some more stuff. So we went ahead and we bought this Ford Explorer. So this is a 1992 Ford Explorer. As you can see, it's in excellent shape. It's mint condition, except this door doesn't open. And well, this doesn't stay up. And but this opens. This opens. If you take a look on the inside, we have this beautiful, luxurious interior. It's been very well taken care of. And my favorite part of the truck is actually the headliner. I mean, look at that. If that's not character, I don't know what is. Like every time I eat Taco Bell, I just come back here and I grab a little piece off and I just kind of wipe my face off and I just toss it in the wind. It's totally biodegradable. It's absolutely California friendly. Now check out this, crap, this door doesn't open. We have some absolutely beautiful seat covers. Well, there's actually only one seat cover. Let's see what it's covering. Actually, I feel like the seat's in good condition. I don't know why they put a seat cover on it. Let's freaking take this thing off. We got some change. There's loose change. There's actually something in the seat cover.
Are you sure you want to know what that is?
Well, it's a cylindrical object. And honestly, yes, I need to know what it is. Should I use my teeth to open it?
No. That's so gross. That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's
I
gross.
have a knife.
It's gross. Can I have a kiss?
No.
So this seat cover comes fully equipped with this beautiful PVC pipe. It's actually a 1 centimeter pipe. And if you're ever in a pinch and your truck breaks down, you can kind of splice this in and you can fix anything that goes wrong. But we don't really need the seat cover. I mean, this seat's actually in pretty beautiful condition. This one over here, you know, we can freaking cover that up. It's not gonna be an issue. We do have all kinds of beautiful goodies that were left in this truck. We have a snap-on socket. That's actually amazing. We have a lifetime warranty on this. So we can go, we can smash it, and we can get a brand new one for free at any time. We've got this WD-40 straw. It's actually a plastic straw. Those are going to be banned soon, so that's definitely a collector's item. Then we have this sheet metal screw, which is definitely going to come in handy when I want to hang some pictures up from the body of the car, something like that. We can get like a family photo on there, me, you, and Bales.
Yeah.
So peeking under the hood, we got this beautiful, look at this thing. It's a roaring V24 engine. It's got 24 cylinders. It's the biggest engine ever made, but I actually shaved it down to a 6-cylinder last night. And that's because, you know, I want to get better gas mileage. I'm obviously a prior-use driver, so that's something that's really important to me. But as you can tell, it sounds really, hang on. The engine sounds absolutely amazing. This thing is flawless. This thing's only got 106,000 miles on it, and it's actually an identical copy of my brother's Ford Ranger. He has a 94 Ford Ranger, and it looks completely identical, so it should be fairly easy for me to work on. I actually had to change this power steering pump on my brother's truck, and that was a pain in the ass, but now I know how to do it. So if I ever have to change it, I can bang it out in like 5 minutes. And listen to this. It's like a 700-pound hood. They don't make them like that anymore. They make like these little wussy light hoods that give you better gas mileage and stuff. We don't want that. We want the heavy stuff. Now in all seriousness, this car's kind of a gigantic piece of crap, but I got it for such a bargain that I can't even complain. And I'm so excited about it. We're gonna build this thing up. We're gonna freaking make it faster than a C8 Corvette. And this thing only cost me $700. So the entire area that I live in burned down a couple days ago, and they have it on lock. So like there's literally nowhere that I can even do a burnout. It's so locked down. They have like people on guard at every little forested section. So I'm here at like some super secret facility. They actually like build crazy rocket ships and stuff and UFOs back there. And they were like starting to get a little suspicious of me. They saw the burnout marks and I had a bunch of smoke kicking up everywhere, and I was kind of gaining a crowd, so we're gonna get out of here. So I didn't bring my Corvette to California, and I wanted like a fun rear-wheel drive car that was like really cheap that I could do stupid things on for the channel. And I've been looking and looking for a while. I actually came across some gems that for some reason Manny didn't like. I don't understand why. I was looking at a Toyota Previa because I thought that would be perfect. Like, that's the perfect ridiculous car that I could do ridiculous things too, but it ended up falling through. So I saw this on Craigslist for $12.50, and I was like, oh, that's a decent price. I could afford to invest that into the Dr. Club channel. And I hit up the guy and I was like, hey,
will you take $1,000 for it? I was expecting him to say no. So he accepts the $1,000 offer, which kind of throws me off. I wasn't expecting it. So I get to the spot where we're supposed to meet, and he messages me again, and he's like, hey, I can't make it there within a reasonable amount of time. I'll take another $300 off if you come an extra 30 minutes to my house. And I'm like, $300 more off, so you're gonna give me it for $700 now? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, well, that's weird, because first of all, I'm driving to Prius. It's gonna cost me like $2 to get there and back. So I'm all down for it. So I drive to his house and I take it for a test drive, and everything seems a-okay. So I'm like, $700 here. Like, I didn't drive very far to get this car in the first place. I'm like, I'll take it. I don't even care, I'll take it. Give me it right now. Oh my God. It's spewing like dust into my eyes. I wasn't expecting that. Damn it. We're here at Walmart. I think I just scratched all the orange peel off my paint. Luckily, I always come prepared for situations like this. We'll just go ahead and there we go.
Where'd you go? I miss you though.
We're gonna change all the fluids because the fluids are kind of disgusting.
Lidl.
Steering wheel cover? What about this one?
What else should I Lidl? The $5 Techron or the 99-cent Super Tech? Line 1. Oh, she went with the Super Tech. Okay, so I just decided we're gonna go for the world's largest collection of little trees on a rearview mirror ever in history. They sell all 5 armed services decals. Oh, I was in the Coast Guard, Marine Corps, Army, Navy, and Air Force. Why would you want all 5?
You should put all 5 in your car.
I feel like most girls that buy the Explorer that I have, they actually have this. So that would make sense. I'd have to get like the pink license plate frame though. They think it was like my husband's car. Get off my tail. I hate these things. People actually like seriously put these on their Priuses. Like when I bought my Prius, I was tempted to buy one, but then I didn't. I was tempted to buy a lot of them for stickers, as most Prius owners are. I can't decide like what I want to do. If you guys want to see a decal on my car, send me a decal in the mail and I'll put it on my car. Regardless of how stupid and ridiculous it is, unless it's offensive, then I'm not gonna be able to put it on because I just got monetized. I can't get demonetized already.
I was thinking about getting you these.
What is that?
It's like a tracking thing for your keys.
I was thinking about getting you one of these, $20 stereo, and then paying $85 to get it installed. And then buying you a new stereo that costs pretty much as my current car does. I think we're gonna do one of these caps, because it's like they say, you can't drive a truck like I have without a cap like this. What?
Behind you.
I'm just practicing. Well, I'm looking for 20 minutes and they don't have the thing I need. The stupid little yellow bottle, the coolant flush stuff. It like gets all the gunk out of your system. Like Walmart's supposed to have everything. It's making me so mad. O'Reilly. I'm gonna sue myself. Because I just hit myself. I got a 60-cent military discount. I felt really stupid asking for it. Like when it's a stupid amount, I don't like to ask for it, but I mean, it was the Marine Corps birthday today. So we saved 60 cents. So far we're at 1226 plus math, 70.51. And that brings us to a grand total of $69. And we're supposed to be spending $300. But we also ordered a $96 puppy for the top. $96 headliner, that's gonna come in, it's gonna be beautiful. It comes with foam, it comes with everything. We bought a $16 phone mount, which is gonna be amazing. And then we also got some struts for that back window because, you know, I wanna be able to lift the window up and give my dogs a nice little pat on the head.
Hey,
or if they're bad. What?
Where are you going?
You didn't tell me where I'm going. Isn't it like a rubber steering wheel? What is going on here? What? This thing don't even look that bad. It feels really weird now though. It's like really thin. Should I put it on or leave it off?
I like it off. It looks cool.
You like it off?
Yeah.
Take it all off?
Yeah.
Should I beep at this person in front of me? Here's everything we ended up buying. Of course, I had to get the good stuff. You know, I can only go with the best name brand in town. And so now we just go out with the oil. Realize there's a stupid filter that's on there way too tight and this wrench doesn't even fit. Get overly frustrated with it and stab it. Crap. I just dropped it in the... Oh my god. This is just becoming friggin' stupid. You know, this had so much potential to be so incredibly easy. Why? Look, you can come at me all you want for not going and buying the right tool or whatever, but I'm never gonna need this tool again because look at this stupid wrench. It's got like a million little things on. No one uses these. Sort of like Valvoline puts these on, so you have to go back to them next time you want to change it. Recommended by the Ford Motor Company. What a freaking mess. I don't even know what to do. I'm sure California would be very, very upset with me right now. Nancy Pelosi, I know that you really don't want me to do this, but just this once, please.
You're a little dirty.
Yeah, it turned out to be a huge mess. But I'd like to shake your hand if you're leaving.
No, that's okay.
Come on.
That's okay.
Where are you going?
No,
Are you taking your Miata?
I can give you an air hug.
Are you taking your Miata?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. We got some oil on our hands and we are going to rub the oil very nicely. We're going to kind of collect it in the tip of the exhaust. You see it's right there? It's actually coming back out. It's backfiring. It's going on my garage floor. Right, we're going to rub it in and that is going to preserve. You hear the exhaust leak? It's going to preserve the exhaust because the exhaust is leaking. It's going to corrode the entire exhaust. And this is basically just a mathematical equation. I don't want to confuse you too much. We got oil on the floor, dang it. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. What's you want to... No, dude. You just freaking got oil all over that pretty clean face of yours. Okay, don't quote me, but I believe this is the first oil change I've ever done where I had to take a shower before even completing it. Also, can I have some privacy? Are you trying to drink the water? I think he's trying to drink the water. Here, you can have some freaking water, man. You know, one of the things I hate about living here is I pay $2,300 a month to fight over this parking spot. And then when I'm here working on my car, I have an audience listening and watching me. Oh, check it out. What is this Gallardo doing in here, dude? How do you have that car and live here? Oh my god, the thing looks so cool. You know, that's probably a stupid question. I bet you he had enough money to not live here. And then he bought that instead. Okay, let's try this. I'm kind of mad at myself because I had 5 quarts. This takes 5 quarts. I spilled a quart, and now I have 4 quarts. I didn't really spill a quart. I spilled a lot. Whatever. It's got to be doing something right. Next up on my list of nonsense, this. So what? I dumped this in here, and then my car is magically fixed. I hope. Please, I mean, it's not broken, but I mean, it's gonna get better. So we leave that in there for a few days, and we do the old flusheroo trick, and then hopefully it's cleaned out. The only reason I'm doing it is because it's literally super rusty. It's rusty inside too. It's rusty everywhere. All right, it's like 5:30 and everyone's starting to come home from work, so I really feel like I need to stop this because I'm gonna get caught and I'm gonna get this fine now. I'm like afraid, how much is it gonna be a fine for? I'm just freaking changing my oil. So I'm gonna turn the AC on because the AC is broken and I wanna figure out what it is. So turn the AC on max and this compressor isn't spinning. I don't know if that means I need to add more refrigerant for it to spin or that the compressor just burnt out. But if you know, you need to tell me, or I'm gonna come eat your entire family. Seriously though, like how much is the fine? Like I need to, that's just so stupid. I'm sure I signed for it when I signed my lease here, but I mean, I didn't read my lease, so you know, you never know. Update, we've got a random US Marine in full desert camis patrolling the dumpsters. He just pulled a bunch of stuff out of the dumpsters. He even has the bottoms on. I don't know what's going on there. So I have this can of R130. It's too dark. I'm like super thrown off by that guy because today's the Marine Corps birthday. It's November 10th. And that dude's walking. What is that guy doing? Whatever. I don't even care. So we have this R134A. It's about 7 years old. I hope it still works. It feels like it's kind of empty. We're gonna, I think it works. We're gonna try and add it to the car and see what happens. Update, I'm pretty sure this stupid freaking thing takes R12. Like why? They started using R134 in 1992, but pretty sure this is R12. Great. The other day, my dog got really mad at me and she ripped up my couch cushion. So now I don't have a couch inside my house. And I was looking back here earlier and I figured this bench seat would make the perfect couch. Quite a tight working position we're in here. Dongle, 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 dongle. 2.5 hours later. Man, oh man, look at this couch. You know, I didn't have much growing up. You know, I always told my mom I wanted to be a basketball player. Well, that didn't happen. But at least I got this nice here. Crap, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is my ball. What are you doing? You want it?
Wow.
That was fast.
That's what she said.